Want to replace the grinder of your coffee machine? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? Pliers, a screwdriver, and a new grinder. Step 1. Remove the casing. Start by unscrewing the screws at the back and remove the back panel. Then take the water reservoir out of the machine. Next, slide the sides of the casing loose. Now unscrew the screws on the top and front of the casing. When removing the top, be careful to gently disconnect the earth wire. Step 2. Remove the old grinder. First, disconnect the cables from the solenoid valve and push them to the side so you can take out the grinder. You might want to take a photo so you know exactly where everything goes when putting it back. Use pliers to disconnect the cables from the grinder. Now remove the old grinder from the coffee machine. Step 3. Install the new grinder. Place the new grinder where the old one was and reconnect the cables to the right spots. Also reconnect the cables from the solenoid valve. Step 4. Put the casing back. First reconnect the earth wire and put the top of the casing back on. Tighten the screws firmly. Then click both sides back into place. Finally, put the back panel back and tighten those screws well too. You've replaced the grinder and the coffee machine is ready to use again.